Hello and welcome to a new lesson. What is concluding sentence in a paragraph? Stage 4. Let's discuss the topic. Explanation of conclusion. Conclusion is also known as concluding sentence in a paragraph. It serves to wrap up the discussion in a paragraph. We continue our discussion. It provides closure to the main discussion. It is the final sentence of the paragraph. It is structurally just as important as the topic sentence. Both the topic sentence, usually first sentence, and concluding sentence, usually last sentence, work together to drive the main idea. We continue. Function of the concluding sentence. Please support by joining the channel. Your financial contributions are greatly appreciated and truly support the cause I stand for in promoting self-learning. By becoming a member, you will gain the opportunity to delve deeply into subjects such as linguistics, literature, and other fields of knowledge. Our members-only videos are recrafted to simplify the complex linguistic concepts. Thank you for your support. Now let's discuss the current topic. It has two primary functions. The first one is signal closure, and the second one is reinforce the main idea. And what is signal closure? It tells the reader that the discussion of this specific topic is finished. Whereas reinforce the main idea, it restates the paragraph's central point, which is starting from the topic sentence, in a new and impactful way, summarizing the evidence. Now let's understand how to write concluding sentence in a paragraph. Okay, so we have the topic on which we will write a short paragraph, and this is importance of regular exercise. This is our topic of the paragraph. This is our title of the paragraph. Now we should write a topic sentence for this title, for this topic. And here we have topic sentence. The importance of regular exercise should not be underestimated. This is our topic sentence. After topic sentence, we need to write body of the paragraph, what we call supporting sentences, not sentence in the singular form. It must be in the plural form because we need to write some sentences, 3, 4, 5, depending upon the idea of your topic. And the supporting sentences for this topic are: it strengthens the heart, regular exercise also improves blood circulation, further, it helps reduce stress, it boosts energy levels and keeps the body fit and active. So we started from topic of the paragraph, we moved on to the second stage, topic sentence, then we moved on to the next stage, supporting sentence. Now we go on to the concluding sentence, what we call conclusion. And it should be like this. You can write in a way you like, but this is my way of writing, so I conclude this paragraph in this way. Therefore, the habit of regular exercise prepares us for healthy and active life. So look at how the idea in the paragraph has been developed. First, we have the topic, which comes out of our creative process, creative thinking. Then we go to the second stage, that is topic sentence. Then we move on to the next stage, third stage, supporting sentences, the main body, the central point of the paragraph, and then we have the concluding sentence. And in this way, we finish our task of writing a paragraph. If you follow these 4 steps in writing a paragraph, I'm sure you can be a good and successful writer. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.